rising temperatures, D.C. Water has some good news. The sewage that's been flowing into the Potomac River for more than a week has finally stopped. The sewage first escaped from a damaged section of the Potomac intercept on January 19th, polluting the river with millions of gallons of raw sewage and waste. Our Lionel Donovan has more on the river's status.
Just a few hours ago, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers reported that D.C.'s drinking water has not been impacted by this sewage spill. This is welcome news after the Potomac Interceptor pipe dumped as much as 40 million gallons of sewage a day, according to some estimates. The burst pipe, which is about 6 feet in diameter, carried waste from as far away as Dulles to the Blue Plains Advanced Water Treatment Plant in D.C. Despite the cold, crews excavated a section of the sewer line about 30 feet downstream of the collapse site in order to remove the damaged section and contain the leak. But scientists from the University of Maryland say they're concerned about what's already been released.
So from the samples that we took a week ago, we found that these fecal indicator bacteria, so E. coli and enterococci, were 10,000 times over the recreational water quality limit.
This morning, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers held a press conference to reassure residents that despite the increased bacteria, D.C.'s drinking water is safe because the pumps aren't pulling water from the contaminated area.
On the stretch, our water are taking water from Great Falls, not at Little Falls. That's where the concentration is high, which is south or downstream of where the break is, right? That pumping station remain offline. So we're not taking any water from there at all. So our water is all upstream, just from here, and the concentration and the water quality is normal as always.
Now, just a short while ago, scientists took samples from the river and say they'll be monitoring the Potomac daily moving forward. From Potomac, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.